again and welcome to Learn English Now. أهلا بيكم في تاني حلقة من حلقات تعلم الصوتيات أو كورس pronunciation. Today we are going to talk about two distinct sounds. I sound, E sound. Can you repeat that? ممكن تقول I sound, E sound. These are different sounds found in multiple words. دي كلمات في كلمات كتيرة. ال sound بيبقى في كلمات وال E sound في بعض الكلمات الأخرى يعني. Let's start with the sound. We find it with the I. بنلاقيه مع ال I. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Begin. Big. Bid. Bring. Chips. Did. Different. Finish. We find it with the Y. بنلاقيه مع ال I وال Y. As in crystal. Physics. Syllable. Sympathy. System. Typical. So the I, the Y produce the same sound, the I sound. On the other hand, we have the E sound. بنلاقي ال E sound في بعض المواضع الأخرى مع حروف أخرى. With E, can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Appreciate. Equal. Even. Evening. Evil. Female. And frequent. We find it with the final E. ال E اللي في الآخر زي الكلمات دي. Be, he, me, she, and we. We find it with something called the magic E. تلاقوا حاجة اسمها الماجيك E. قول ورايا. Repeat after me. Athlete. Compete. Complete. Concrete. Delete. Extreme. Perfect. We find it with the EA. بنلاقيه مع ال EA أحيانا زي beach. Bead. Beat. Bleach. Breathe. Cheat. Clean. And so on. وهكذا. بنلاقي ال E sound في كل الكلمات دي. We also find it with the double E. مع ال EE. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Agree. Between. Deep. Degree. Fee. Feed. And feel. Perfect. نفس الصوت. نفس الساوند. With EI. بنلاقيه مع ال EI زي ceiling. Conceive. Deceive. Leisure. Perceive. Perfect. وبنلاقيه مع ال IE أحيانا. We find it with the IE as the words achieve. Believe. Believe. Breathe. Chief. Field. And knees. Excellent. And finally, we find it with the I. So it's not the short I. It's the long one. هي long E. زي. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Gasoline. Machine. Magazine. Police. Routine. sardine. Thank you. Now we know the difference between the I sound and the E sound. We are going to have a pronunciation practice. I'm going to read this piece of paragraph sentence by sentence, and then I would like you to repeat after me. محتاجك تقول ورايا. هقف عند كل sentence، عند كل full stop، وهحتاجك تقول ورايا. First, Mary was very hungry, so she decided to treat herself to some sushi. She really liked the taste of raw fish. She also liked the music that was playing at the restaurant. It was classical music, her favorite. After dinner, she went to the movie theater to see the latest Brad Pitt movie. There was a very long line in front of the theater, but she did not mind. Finally, she was able to go in and take a seat, just as the movie was starting. She enjoyed the movie a lot and was really surprised by the ending. Perfect. I guess now it's obvious when to pronounce it as I and when to pronounce it as E. أعتقد إن هو واضح short I sound with long E sound. So for today, thank you so much for having the I and the E sound. In the description below, I am going to be leaving links to the materials that we have used today, also some other materials for a to-do task. I would like you to have this homework and then write the answers in the comments so that I will be able to correct you. النهارده خلصنا. هسيب links في الديسكريبشن فيها زي homework او حاجه تعملها to do task، فممكن تسيب في الكومنتس الانسرز بتاعتك او الاجابات بتاعتك، وانا هرجع لك بالاجابات عن الحاجات الصح والحاجات الغلط اللي انت هتكون كتبتها. وبرضه هكون سايب اللينك بتاع الماتيريالز. Thank you so much for being with me today. Learn English now. See you next time. Have a good day.